Okay, it actually did better. It took 39.16 seconds. Let me write that down real quick. But now I want to check it, and I want to see. Let me turn this on. So now I'm going to let it run for 1 minute and see how much it makes in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to turn the timer and the machine on at the same time. We're going to let it run for 1 minute and turn it off. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're just going to let it run for 1 minute and see where it ends up. Then we can pour that. We can actually check that with the measuring cup as well. Let's see here. Okay. It's still going. Ah. We're going to have to try this again. So we got the hose in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do this time, because it won't shut off right then, is I'm going to have to hit the timer, and at 1 minute, I'll pull the hose off. And that'll stop the flow, and then we can measure it again. Okay? This is extremely difficult. I don't know if any of this footage is going to work. I don't think it is. So we're going to start them and go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It stops. Okay. Turn that off. That is the mark right there. So now, pour all the water out. Okay. Right. Dry it off a little bit. Let's see how much water it holds up to that mark. Then we'll know how many milliliters per minute of blended gases this thing produces. Just a little bit more. Dump that out. And now that's how much gas it produces. Now we're going to measure it the other way. This thing puts out 300 milliliters per minute of blended gases. 300 milliliters per minute. So it's very hard to do this in this little tiny space and get all of this on camera, but I'm going to go ahead and just, this is what it ended up being. And that is, I don't know, I hope you can see that. 300 milliliters. Right on the money, as a matter of fact. Very precise. So this machine, even though it's rated for 150 milliliters per minute, it actually produces 350 milliliters per minute of blended gases. So it does twice as much as it's supposed to, which is good. I like that. Let me turn this off. I want you to stop recording. There we go. So it produces 200 milliliters per minute of hydrogen and 100 milliliters per minute of oxygen. Okay.